Maybe you should throw with a little more aim. It's a cold day in hell when they dirty up your name. They don't got no business talking in the first place. I'm freezing. All these fuck niggas on my line. Damn nigga, you almost wanna die tonight. Yeah, I rock the choker with a 45. And I know some niggas that'll never ride. All these niggas bitches on my line. Damn bitch, you almost wanna fuck tonight. Let me ask you, my niggas figure right. You wanted an autograph, all you had to do was ask for. But you looking like an asshole. Up on Twitter and you looking mad, whoa. Talking about me, but you looking bad, whoa. Like the ugly daughter that I never had, whoa. And what's up with these niggas? Got my name in their mouth like they're swallowing my children. I never get why niggas hate. It's probably cause I'm doing better than them anyway. It's probably cause I get they bitches wetter anyway. It's probably cause I'm living in there in a lower place. They're walking in their songs while I'm vibing out of space. Crash land just to take their girl on a dinner date. When haters see me winning, they just hyperventilate. They always try to stop me, but I never hesitate. Just follow all your dreams, and when you reach them, celebrate. That's the only way to truly make a hater suffocate.